Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Platinum package that I am upgrading to right now. So I'm going to purchase the product right now. And what that's going to do, it's going to qualify me for $400 commissions on every sale of this course. This is, of course, the Platinum package, which is Social Profit Academy. It's a Facebook marketing course that you can purchase to learn more about Facebook marketing, how to use Facebook ads to promote your business. Whatever it is that you want to promote, this course is going to tell you how to do it. Now, again, like I said, all of these steps when you're getting started all have videos on them telling you what each step's all about. So if you ever want to upgrade either to the Diamond package or the Platinum package or even Master Traffic Institute, all you got to do is click the button. There's also a video here that's going to show you what it's all about. So we're going to do it right now. I am going to purchase the Platinum package. I'm going to make sure all these are checked off. Since I already have a credit card in the system, I'm just going to click that one right there and hit buy now. There we go. I am now I can now make $400 commissions in Power Lead System. So I can make the $20 commissions, the $100 commissions, and the $400 commissions. So I always tell people, if you want to make have the potential to make more profit in your business, always try, whenever you can afford to buy the upgrades, because it's not just about it's not just about money for me. I want you guys to make as much profit as you guys can in your business, and plus you get this amazing course with it. And if you want to access any of the courses that you purchase, you can just get them all right here. Let's go through it real quick right here. So gotta log in. So let's go back. Let's create a password. I'll do all this stuff later on, but that's how you can access your courses that you purchase. Free Ad Secrets, Social Profit Academy, or Master Traffic Institute. All the videos are right here to help you learn more about them. So I can now make the $20 here at the gold. At the diamond level, I can make 100, and now I can make $400 commissions. The best way to help people to understand these things is by showing them. That goes true for anything that you're promoting. Always show your people the way. And get them to the point where they're doing stuff on their own, so they too can one day start finding success promoting Power Lead System or any other business that they promote. And Power Lead System has all the tools and all the resources that you need to get that done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button below, comment below if you want to. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys all soon. I have more videos to come. I have a share code that I've been working on to help my team. And even if you're in Power Lead System, you can use the share code if you want. I am making an exact copy of my welcome page that I send out to all of my signups to help them get started. So I am working on that right now, and I should have some more videos up soon. So have a great day and have a nice Sunday. Today is Sunday the 16th, and I hope you guys have a good one. Bye.